Welcome to the What's New in Address Manager 2.3 Part 2 instructional video. Several changes and enhancements, including database enhancements, configurator enhancements, and branch versioning, are not covered in this video, but are detailed in the What's New in Address Manager 2.3 document, available online at. A new feature for creating emergency boundary polygons is to be able to copy an existing boundary and paste it into another boundary layer, such as copying a fire boundary and pasting it into an EMS boundary layer. There are two methods for copying boundaries. The first is to use the Identify tool. Select the polygon on the map to copy, and then select Copy in the upper left of the pop-up. The polygon boundary is now copied to the clipboard. Then select the Boundary Editing tool for the type of polygon to add that copied boundary to. In this case, we'll be copying to the EMS layer. Select Add Features. At the bottom of the Add Features panel, you will see that there's a fire polygon available to paste into that polygon layer. Select Paste. Input the required attributes and select Save. The second method is to copy several boundaries to the clipboard with the Layers tool. Click the three dots to the right of the layer and then select Open Table. Then select the polygons you want to copy. Select Copy. Display the polygon layer that you want to add the polygons to. In this case, we'll be putting them into the EMS polygon. We'll close the police polygon. We then go to the EMS boundary tool, add features, and then paste the police polygons. Those police polygons are now added into the EMS boundary layer. Enter the display names for each polygon and select Save. Enhancements have been made to the unit addressing tools. There are now two new options for skipping units when addressing extruded buildings. Renumber a floor, such as changing actual 13 to number 14, and do not number a floor. Select the Units tool and place the first floor units on the building outline. When finished, select the Select tool, and the Units panel will be displayed. Select the Floors tool, and the Floor Configuration dialog is displayed. To add floors and skip one or more floors, select Regenerate. Input the number of floors to add, and then select the drop-down arrow in the Skip Floors dialog to indicate which floor to skip. Select Do Not Address Floor. Select OK. Scrolling through the units, you will see that there are unit numbers for the first floor, the second floor, but the third floor is labeled 400s rather than 300s. To renumber a floor, complete the previous steps, but select the floor to be renumbered in the Skip Floors drop-down and select Renumber. For example, if the number of floors is set to 15 and floor 13 is skipped, the unit numbers for floor 13 will be 1401, 1402, etc. Up next is What's New in Address Manager 2.3 Part 3.